First, are you using ChatGPT to create content for your blog or website? If yes, well then the time is here to move on from ChatGPT and try fact-based, 100% unique and SEO-friendly article writing tools. So first, if you wanna write unique, fact-based and SEO-friendly articles for your website and blogs, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video and follow the steps to know how to create unique and SEO-friendly articles in minutes. Hey folks, Matsfakir from revolutionize back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to write 100% unique and SEO-friendly articles for your blog and website using the best AI writing tool. First, using the best AI article writer, we can use AI to create hallucination-free, fact-based and SEO-friendly articles in minutes. And for this, we will be using ArticleGPT by HIX.AI. First, ArticleGPT is the best rated AI article writer that can create articles in minutes. The references used in the articles generated using ArticleGPT are backed by credible and real-time online sources. And here are the key features that makes it one of the best AI article writer. Wow, that's simply amazing. Let's get started to know how to use ArticleGPT to write articles for blogs and website. And to get started with, simply follow the links in the description and pin comment to visit ArticleGPT official website. Now click start for free. Here we are required to create an account. We can simply continue with Google or can also use an email. Can also log in from here if you already have an account. Once logged in, here we have ArticleGPT dashboard. Here at top we get welcome message. Welcome to HIX ArticleGPT. Write allocation free, fact-based and SEO-friendly articles now. We can use it to write general article, Amazon product roundup, single Amazon product review, general product roundup, how to guide, news article and more. Here at bottom we will have our recently generated articles using ArticleGPT. So now let's get started to know how to create article for blog or website, and for this we will be using how to guides. Here we get two modes, one click mode and high quality mode. Let's try high quality mode. Now here we can get started with the article making. First we are required to describe topic. Let's write a blog post on how to build a professional website for e-commerce. Next we can enter primary keyword for our topic. Let's write digital marketing. Can also give secondary keyword if required. Next we can choose tone of voice. Let's make it professional. Thereafter we can select language. ArticleGPT supports many languages, so we can write articles in any language using ArticleGPT. Choose the one as per your requirement. I am selecting English. Thereafter we can choose point of views like first person singular, I, me, my and mine. First person plural, we, us, our and ours. Second person, you, your and yours. Or third person, he, she, it and they. Selecting first person plural. Thereafter in advanced we can select targeted audience, selecting it to be everyone. Next we can choose number of words for blog post, selecting 1000 to 2000. In last, before generating article we can choose if we want to use GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. Selecting GPT 4. Now click add references. Here ArticleGPT comes with references from web that we can choose. Here are some of the most authentic references for our topic. We can choose any of these. We can also upload our own draft if there are any. Let's select a few of them. Now after we are ready, next click generate titles. ArticleGPT starts to generate titles and see here we have titles that we can choose for our article or blog post. These are high quality keyword based titles. We can also write our own if we want to. Let's select this one. Next click generate outline. ArticleGPT starts to generate outline for our article. See here we have outline 1. Here we have overview, types, key performance indicator, enhancing user experience, and we can also generate FAQs. We have well compiled outline ready for our article now. Well, that's not it, we also have outline 2 and can also generate another outline. Let's generate FAQs added to our outline, and for that click generate FAQs. Now FAQs are added to our outline. Let's generate article, and for that click generate article. Now Article GPT starts generating our article, and within few seconds, here we have our article ready. See, a well-detailed, unique and comprehensive article is ready. Simply amazing work by Article GPT. That's how easily we can create SEO-friendly articles for blogs and websites using Article GPT by HIX.AI. So first, no matter who you are, a blogger, SEO professional, content marketer, journalist, Amazon affiliate or business owner, you should try Article GPT to create high quality content, and I will highly recommend you all to try it out. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Revolutionize, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the best ways to bypass AI detectors and how to humanize AI content. Now want to know how to rewrite undetectable AI content that can bypass AI detectors?